Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video I am share to you the details of easily refill method of HP 203A or CF540A. And this is the new toner cartridge of 203 and this is the empty toner cartridge of 203A or CF540A. If you are a new viewer of this channel, like and subscribe this channel and click on the bell button to receive notification of new uploaded videos. This channel is based on printer information and many videos have already been uploaded about the latest printer unboxing and printer features. Also we uploading videos of refill toner cartridges of different models. Okay, let's see how to refill. From the first step, remove the spring from this side. Many people refilled by making a hole in the toner cartridge, but in this video I will show you how to easily refill without hole. There is no screw on outside of the toner to open, so do like this to separate the tank part and drum part. First, prepare your workspace. Place paper towels or newspapers on a flat surface to protect your workspace in case you spill toner powder. Put on rubber gloves if you want to make sure you do not get powder on your hands. Printer manufacturers usually do not instruct or even encourage customers on how to refill a toner cartridge in hopes that you will simply buy a new replacement cartridges. However, adding toner to a laser printer on your own is an inexpensive and easy alternative to purchasing a new toner cartridge. So, learn how to refill toner powder to your cartridge to help save your money. Purchase the proper type of toner powder that is compatible with your printer and its cartridge. Remove both screws from this side. Toner powders are different by grain size, chemical constructions and weight. That is exactly why only the compatible type of toner powder will work with your cartridge. There are several types of toner but not separate ones for every single printer model. Most differ on features, not basic technology. In a pinch, a toner from a very similar model of printer will probably also work, but research or ask first. Please note as well, refill toner and toner powder may cause serious health problems if not handled carefully. We recommend always using breathing protections while filling toner cartridge. Furthermore, toner powder and refill toner can be highly flammable with an appropriate oxygen mixture. After 1 or 2 refills, we recommend that you empty the waste toner container because otherwise a perfect printing quality cannot be guaranteed. Shake well this toner powder bottle before filling. In this toner container can fill 55 grams of black toner powder. Add a small amount of toner powder step by step. After then, turn this roll manually. This helps the powder to go into the tank. After fill the 55 grams of black powder, clean this area with soft tissue paper or cotton cloth. Place the spring lock like as before. Be very careful when taking the spring lock and putting it back, because the hook that holds it in place is likely to break. This smart chip also needs to be replaced for the color toner cartridge. Replace the smart chip if your cartridge requires this extra step. Some printers will not work after a toner powder refill unless a new smart chip fuse is installed. Most toner refill kits come with a smart chip if it is needed for your cartridge. As it is a black color toner, you should use a black toner chip. If the chip is inserted incorrectly, the printer will not work. The chip is different for each color. If placed the chip correctly, this mission is successfully completed. After then, reinstall the cartridge into your printer. If the chip you inserted is loose there, use something and tighten this chip. Now I use a piece of tissue paper for this purpose. Now this chip does not move, it's tight now. So toner now ready to insert into your printer. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.